Hey everybody, how's it going? It's StormeDegree14 here, and today I'm going to be reacting to SMG4's newer video, Mario Screws in a Light Bulb. Now, the question is, how many Marios does it take to screw in a light bulb? Who knows? My guess is one, and also one destroyed house. Well, with that being said, make sure to like and subscribe to SMG4, make sure to like and subscribe to me, and I hope you guys liked the reaction. Let's get on with it in 3, 2, 1. Here we go!
I love you too. I love you too.
Oh, hey guys!
Hi.
If you haven't heard yet, we have released a very
Right, your new animates.
figurines. First, you got your boy
Of Lawyer Meggy and SMG4.
And you also got a special
new
skin,
form.
Lawyer Meggy. She's limited stock and only here for those of you who watch the Losu arc and Wattfree 2022. There's only 3 days left to get 15% off, so quickly go get it now at smg4.store. And with that, we'll go to the video now. Woo!
Let's go! Whoa! Alright, let's do this. Ready to have some fun after the lawsuit arc. Oh, you guys are doing great so far. Nice. Yeah. Didn't Tari teach you how to beat him at games? And there we go. The light bulb's broken. I mean, you destroyed the socket along with it, I think.
No, I'll fix it.
No, it's Mario screws in the light bulb, not you, SMG4. Mario has to do it, SMG4. Nope! Fail number 1.
I did it. Well, thank God I have a spare.
Fail number 2.
God damn it! I hit
Why didn't you get the ladder in the first place, buddy?
Ooh.
Just hold this, Toad, and we can all go home.
No.
Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything. So
Yes.
please just stand there and be useless.
He won't be there for long. Trust me.
Oh.
Mamma mia!
Please don't.
So long, Toad.
And there...
Ah.
Whoa, whoa,
Oh,
whoa.
keep it still, Toad!
Nope. You have him down there.
So this is how I die.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can't. I don't believe in you at all for that. Sorry, bud. Oh. You're sweating.
Don't mean. Don't mean. Don't mean.
Nope. Too late. Too late. And... Yep!
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland Brown.
Mario, goddammit, hold it still!
That's it.
Okie dokie.
Well.
Easy for me. Oh, you got the Mario thing?
Are you sure this shouldn't be called Mario holds the ladder while SMG4 screws in the light bulb? Yep, that's my brain at this show a lot of times. That's a weird socket.
Ah. Ah.
What is he
Mario,
doing?
hold it still!
Oh, it's the toad.
You little sh**.
Oh no! Ow. Yeah, ow! Yes. Toad, you've made a big mistake. Oh no! And here we go. Crazy about to happen. Jeez!
All done.
Through the wall. You deserve that.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Oh, you got the Mario thinking now?
What are you gonna do now? What? Okay. Nope, no, nope. Fail number 3. 4.
I'm in danger!
Shoot it down.
Goodbye.
Spider pig, spider pig.
Fail number 6. No, that was number 5, actually, I think. I already lost track. Darn it. Cursed brain. Shove Peach into the pile. Toad. Toad, please. Can you wait until he gets the light bulb in first? Of course you can't.
I gotta do it, man.
Come on. I know you have to. Couldn't you just wait a bit, though? Oh. Yeah. That's number 7 if I'm on the right count. Oh, jeez. What did he... He didn't even do anything, though. So, what's the matter with you? Okay, so what are we gonna do now?
It's no use, Mario.
What's no
Doesn't
use?
look like we can fix the light
Oh,
bulb.
of course, I know what's no use. Duh.
Mamma mia!
Only Mario can break the... You can break the laws of physics, you moron! Oh, come on. So that's how you're gonna do it?
What's going on here?
Mario, screw the damn light bulb in!
Yeah. We have to have it happen in the episode. You eventually have to get that thing in. But do you have the light bulb? Okay, you do. Oh, here it comes. What's gonna mess him up? It's gonna be Toad again, I bet. And... The light bulb doesn't fit, dumbass. Okay.
What? What do you mean it's not working?
The light bulb doesn't fit.
Just force it in!
No, don't do that. I mean, he's gonna get shocked. And there goes the ceiling.
I did it! I did it!
Haha, let there be light!
Yeah, and you have to cause a blackout on the entire town. Or world, actually. Oh no.
Evening. Wow, I hate that.
Okay, Ghost.
You get no bitches!
Can't punch a ghost.
Can't touch me.
Where's Luigi? We need him. We need Luigi. Where is he?
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
Ow. Oh, so sad.
We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
I mean, that's what Boo's about to do. Oh! Thanks, Luigi.
Huh?
Yep.
I'm a superstar.
They didn't, but thank you.
Not really.
Exactly.
Luigi, we're so happy to see you.
Mm-hmm.
We just wanted to replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Go, Luigi.
What's the answer? A giant super light bulb. From this Mario game. Got it.
Wow, it's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
Yeah.
You Super Luigi Mansion.
Oh, if only. One day they'll make that.
Looks like it's up to us then.
Yeah.
I bet.
Damn. Alright, let's go. There's a lot of ghosts. The poltergeist, Mario. Maximum suck. Get him! Nice, and there goes Toad.
Oh yeah. Well, now you're gonna get
There's more of them. Turn it back on. Turn it back on. Oh, Depresso.
Enlargement pills?
Why are you selling that, Depresso? Ah. Why? You guys don't even have things. Or pinguses. You're a ghost.
What do I do? What do I do?
Turn on the vacuum. Exactly. Oh!
Oh, okay.
Okay, guess that works. Nice. Don't feed him the pill. Don't.
Now, bitch!
Oh no. Yep, he's inflated again. Oh, he's getting bigger. Oh no! Beat somebody's ass. Did you lose the vacuum?
Get in my belly!
You must have, friend. All this just to screw in the light bulb, and now we have ghosts running around.
Huh?
Yep. Put it in!
That's right.
No, Mario has to screw it in. Not SMG4. Mm-mm.
Eccolo tutto, sembrate.
Yeah.
What? No! This was meant to work! Come on, you stupid pieces!
And now you broke it! Idiot! Mario. Yep. Oh, okay, the light bulb's just back. Wait, you have the vacuum?
Error. Cannot suit.
Come on.
Oh, mamma mia, tutto
No, peace is not an option with them. What's now? Oh, Toad!
La la la.
Oh. You're gonna screw him in the socket? Why? Nope. Nope.
Mario, I told you already! Toad won't work!
Shh. Oh my! Oh my God! Really? Really? Oh my God! Wow! Okay. Well, we got our video. Mario screwed in the light bulb. Oh! Yeah, goodbye. Goodbye. And Toad's on fire.
I did it. I saved the world. Well, that was a load of
Exactly. Oh, that was good. That was good. Glad to see we got to see Depresso again after all that time. That was a cute picture of Melanie. Alright. Wait for it. Alright. Well, I hope you guys liked the reaction. I know I loved it. Alright, so we got Mario screwing the light bulb. Took out a whole gang of ghosts. Luigi's banished to another dimension. Toad was left on fire. Classic stuff, now that we're back in it from the Lawsuit arc. Can't wait to see what shenanigans we get into next. With that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next reaction. As always, check out my other videos and my Let's Play. That being said, see you then. Bye!